This is the BMW 530e G30. How does Doug DeMuro do this? This is not working. Maybe if I don't do Doug. Maybe I should try a different presenter. Traction control off. Yeah, maybe I'm not meant to be jamming on, so I'm gonna put the traction control back on.
2 seconds later.
গাড়ি এত জোরে করলে পুরো গন্ধ বের হয়েছে আর চাকা তো শেষ। কি করেছো?
Yeah, Mum's yelling at me, so that wasn't a good idea. This is a BMW 530e. It's a hybrid, it's fast, it's clever, it's German. And it's exactly what you buy when you want to convince yourself you're being environmentally responsible while still going sideways out of roundabouts. The thing about this 5 Series is, this G30 is, it's mine. And well, I've had it for 3 years and I've done 15,000 miles in it. And well, they've not only just been in the UK, they've been all over Europe. And you can tell it hasn't been easy miles. This car has been driven, and it's been driven hard. .530e, which means it's a hybrid, right? You can put petrol in it, or you can charge it up. But that also means that you have a little Duracell in the boot. In theory, it should give you best of both worlds. In reality, well, we'll talk about that in a second. First up is the brakes. Honestly, they're massive. You could stop a speeding ferry with these brakes. Honestly, it's insane how good they are. And even after months and months of use and abuse, well, they stop really well. Yeah, there we go. No fade, no squeals, just German over engineering. You know they're good when you can trust them even after 15,000 miles of abuse. Second, comfort. It's like sitting on a really posh marshmallow. The seats massage you, the cabin cocoons you. BMW call it luxury, I call it falling asleep at 70 miles per hour. Third, the tech. Wireless Apple CarPlay, self-parking, 360 cameras, drive modes. Basically, the car's smarter than most of the people on the road. You feel like Batman. Well, if Batman wore cardigans and worked in finance. And finally, the drive. You know, under all this eco, planet-saving, like, stuff that this car was about, it's still a BMW. You know, and usually you see electric cars and hybrids just get sluggish after a while, but not the 530e, not this one. It still drives like a BMW should. It's sharp, it's agile, it's fun. You don't even realise you're carrying basically a fridge in the back. Well, when I say fridge, I mean the second battery in the back. It still feels pretty great. Firstly, the size. The G30 is absolutely enormous. BMW says it's executive size. I like saying it's trying to park a cruise ship blindfolded. Secondly, it's the fuel economy. Now, BMW claim it does 140 miles per gallon, but in the real world, I'll be happy to see 40 miles per gallon. It's good in fuel for a petrol, but it's not anywhere near what BMW claim. And it doesn't help that every time the light turns green, all I want to do is put a foot down. Third, insurance. Apparently insurance companies think that anyone driving a hybrid BMW must either be a getaway driver or a part-time superhero. Somehow, as time goes on, the premiums increase. I don't get that. Well, despite me getting older and wiser and technically less likely to launch it into a hedge, I'm glad there's a technically there. Long term, you're basically paying for the badge. This, that's what you're paying for. And finally, it's a newish car, so maintenance is quite expensive. You're looking at £1,200 at the BMW main dealer to basically diagnose the thing. And they'll even charge you £60 to tell you your tyres are a bit low. Heck, we just got the car serviced. And when I say service, it was just an oil and filter service. And guess how much that was? Yeah, whatever you thought. Yeah, a lot higher. £300. £300 for an oil service. Like, what are they putting into the oil? Like gold? So yes, the magazines loved it, but none of them were paying for the fuel, or the servicing, or the insurance. But apart from that, brilliant! So what have we learned? The 530e is an incredible bit of kit. It's fast, it's comfy, it's loaded with gadgets, and also financially catastrophic if you're not careful. It's everything great about modern BMWs, and everything terrifying about owning them long term. Would I buy it again? Yeah, probably. But I'd also sign up for a loyalty card at my local petrol station. And maybe start selling a kidney or two.